Hello, in this video I will talk about the pop-up. If you see on the side there is a pop-up when you try to exit the page, a pop-up appears and offers you to visit and see the offer about the membership. Okay, so how to edit this pop-up or how to delete it if you want, make changes and set it up. So the plugin we use to have this pop-up is here. If you go, it says Hustle. This is the plugin, and if you hover here you see there is the option pop-ups. This plugin gives other options also. If you go to YouTube and search about Hustle plugins, you will find many tutorials. So if you want to know more things, you go to YouTube and click Hustle plugin, search for this. But because I use it only for the pop-up for the site, I will show you how to edit, change it or delete it, so you know how to manage it. I click pop-ups and you see here there is only one. This is the pop-up I have created. It says exit pop-up membership page. Okay, so if you want to edit, you click edit. And here you have some options. Let's open another tab in the same time. So we have here I have already incognito, so it will show, because this pop-up will show only to not users, to logged out users. So it doesn't show when I'm logged in as an admin, but here, which is an incognito window, it will show. So I will refresh the page. Okay, we're on the page. We scroll down, we check the page, and after a while we decide to leave. When we go to leave, a pop-up appears and it says don't leave without our Christmas New Year's deal. I have to change now because it's not holidays anymore. Get lifetime access to our entire library of 150 video courses for just $77. Show me the offer. Okay, if you click here, show me the offer, it will open a new tab with a membership page to show the option to get access to all the courses with a membership. Okay, you see the membership page. Alright, so how to change this plugin now? Okay, we want to change the text, we want to change the image or something here, or the links. How to change? I will show you very fast. We have some options. First, it says here content. We want to say don't leave without our let's say amazing deal. Not Christmas anymore. Okay, if you want to see how it looks like, you just click preview before you click update, preview, and it will show how it will look like the change we made. Okay, it says our amazing deal. Close here, continue. We want to change the image. Click here because it's not appropriate anymore, this Santa Claus image with the gifts. Okay, upload the new image. I have here the image that I want to upload. Okay, and we can click again preview to see how it looks now. You see, we have a new image. Okay, what else we want to change? Let's say this I don't like, which is in the second line. I want to be everything in one line, so I want to make a bit smaller the text. Here I go, here is the text that here is the text, but I want to make it a bit smaller, so I have to go to appearance, and on the title I will make this 35 and preview. So everything is one line. This looks much better. You can change everything. You can change the text, you can change the color, you can change image, background, the button. Everything is happening from here. On the content you can change the title, the image, and also the text on the offer. Also the text of the button, it says is the call to action. Show me the offer. You can say something else, yes I want it, or show me the deal. whatever you want, open in a new tab or in the same tab, and here is the link you want to redirect the people after they click the button, after they click show me the offer, where they will go. Here is the page. Okay, we want to allow to people, if they don't want to see it again, never see this again, it says here, add this option. Yeah, if you go here, so if you see here, there is the no thanks. Okay, this is this setting here to never see this again. If they click the no thanks, you can change the text if you want to say something else, it will not appear again. If they don't click this and they click just this X, they close it, but when they go to another page, let's go to another page. Alright, and I want to go to exit, it appears again because I just click here. But if I click here, the no thanks, and I go to another page, I go to courses again, or I go to home page, and I go to exit, it will not appear anymore. So for this visitor, it will not appear anymore if they click on the no thanks. It will appear again and again and again if they just click the X. So we can choose if you want to give this option to not appear again by enabling this here. Okay, I want to give this option to the visitors. Actually, I need to update because I see that I didn't update and I see the old text. Here I have changed the, it says 150 video courses, but I didn't click update. Okay, so go to next one, appearance. We can choose the style we want it, where to be the button. You can click here and see and preview and see how you like it. Where the call to action, like the button, we want to be in the middle, left, right. Okay, what is the font family for the text? What is the size? Here you choose the font family and the font size and the position for the text. And what else has here? Oh, it's everything about the font family. So you have it's a highly customizable. You can make it how you like it, but you don't need at this moment to make something else, to change something else. You can even add the custom CSS if you know how to do this. Visibility. So we can say here that you can choose some rules. So to anybody who you can say like page product, to somebody who is logged in, to somebody who is logged out, so to specific pages. Here is the visibility rules. Okay, I have set for example that to show to all products. If I want to show to only these products, I click this, and here I have to choose specific products. So I can create, this is very good if I want to create different pop-ups for different situations and different pop-ups for different pages. This is very good. But in our case we have only one pop-up. It is good to know because it's your site and maybe you want to add more pop-ups, you want to use more this plugin. It's very nice plugin. Okay, or on Woocommerce page where all the products are, you can choose, or on which pages. On the, I have different pages that to show or not to show. So if you say, for example here, show to any of these, this is different situations, or hide to any of these, or you can say hide to all of these. Okay, you can choose what you want, play with it. Is not so it's not actually difficult to use this plugin. And if you want to add more conditions, just add more conditions. Okay, I don't want to make full tutorial for this plugin. There is also in YouTube full tutorials about the plugin. I just want you how to edit the pop-up or delete it if you want it, and if you don't want it on the site. Okay, continue. Let's see if there is something else to mention here. Okay, there are only these conditions and the rules. Go to behavior. Here you say to the pop-up like how to be triggered. Like I have choose the exit. So when somebody has the intention to exit, then it will appear. Otherwise, we can make it to click to appear when you click on a button, when you scroll down, or after 5 minutes, or after 5 seconds, after 10 seconds. Okay, we have these options like to choose how and when the pop-up will appear. And this is the animation settings. To fade in, I have choose fade in, how to fade in and fade out, like the way it comes and disappears. It has many animation options. And there is also, if you want to auto close, you can choose like auto close, and you choose how many seconds to close, like choose that after 5 seconds to auto close. I choose that the people can choose to close it. And here it says close pop-up when click outside. Okay, if you click outside of the pop-up, it can close pop-up after a CTA conversion. When we click the button, like okay, show me the offer, the pop-up will close. We don't want it more. Closing behavior, we say that the pop-up can close by clicking the X icon. Pop-up can be closed by clicking outside of the pop-up. Here we can choose, is important. It says choose what will happen when a visitor closes your pop-up. I choose to keep showing this pop-up. Okay, if you want, it says you can choose like don't show this pop-up on this page, or do not show this pop-up across the site, like if they close it, do not appear again. But I have added this option on the bottom which says not thanks, which gives this option to not appear again. So I keep here the option when they close it from the X icon to show again and again, but when they close it by clicking the no thanks, do not show again. Additional settings, it has also about some extra control on your pop-up. Page scrolling, keep showing it says like when you scroll, the visitor scrolls down the page, keep showing the pop-up. Okay, the visibility after a conversion, keep showing this module. Choose the pop-up visibility on the video click. Yes, that even if they click it one time and visit the page, it will appear later again if they close it from the X icon. But because I have set it up to show only to logged out users, which are not members, when the people will buy the membership, finally the pop-up will stop to show up. So don't worry, when they finally buy the membership, it will not show anymore to your members. Okay, this is nothing, don't go for it, it's more advanced. You can click update, there is nothing more, just for the plugin there are more options. There are pop-ups, but there are also other things you can use this pop-up. And there is also a pro version. We use the free version, which is very good. We don't need to buy the pro version, but if you want more customization and to choose where to appear more specifically and more options, you pay the pro version, but it's not needed. Okay, so I show you everything, so you know now how to edit the pop-up. If you want to delete it, I don't know if I show you this, let's show you pop-ups. Go to pop-ups. Here it has the option to edit, but if you click here on this icon, it gives some options. Preview, unpublish. If you would just want to unpublish, if you don't want to delete but just want to unpublish, just click unpublish, and now it will not work anymore. And if you want it back, just click publish. Okay, or duplicate. We can add tracking, enable tracking. You can add the tracking if you want. I didn't work with this, so I cannot explain everything because I didn't use it, but I think it is about Google, and we can add Facebook pixel and other things. If you want to explore this, you can explore. It's not needed for this tutorial. Okay, if you want to export it and import it to another site, you can do it, so you don't build it again from zero. And if you want to delete it, you click here delete it. Okay, and if you want to create a new one, you click here create. Or if you want to import, because you exported from a site, and let's say you have one more site and you want exactly the same pop-up, you don't want to build it again from zero, you click export here and you click on the new site that you want to import, click import. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. You feel more confident how to edit and manage the pop-up. Thank you for watching it. I will see you in the next video.